My video is about removing fake Windows support alerts and fake Windows firewall protection alerts that come from the random website. There is no point for me to quote this particular website because it is random, and today or tomorrow it may be changed by some other website. All these pop-ups tell people that they have done something wrong, and that's why their computer is now infected, and because of that they need to call this telephone number 888-322-1108. Keep in mind that this is a real number on one hand, but on the other hand this number is a fake Windows support number. It is not related to Windows. There are some online hackers who stand behind these pop-ups, and they try to make you call this telephone number, and then they will try to connect to your computer remotely. After that, they may demand from you to pay money, supposedly to get it fixed, or in some cases they may try to force you into downloading some potentially unwanted software. All these pop-ups are fake. Once again, they are not related to Windows or Microsoft. They can be the result of some adware to be enabled in your computer. Of course, it's a good idea that you check the control panel and uninstall any programs that are suspicious. So if you find them, get rid of them. I also recommend researching your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.